The experiment today we are going to do is conductometric titration of strong acid versus strong base. In this experiment, we are going to measure the conductance of a solution by taking sodium hydroxide in the burette and HCl in the pipette. The apparatus required for this experiment are conductometer, burette, pipette, 100 ml beaker, conductivity cell, and distilled water. The 100 ml beaker is thoroughly washed with the distilled water and 20 ml of HCl is pipetted out into the beaker. 30 ml of distilled water is added to the solution. So totally 50 ml is taken. Now the conductivity cell is connected to the conductivity bridge and is dipped in the solution containing HCl. Now the 50 ml burette is rinsed with the distilled water and the burette solution sodium hydroxide is taken in the burette and filled up to 0 mark. Without adding sodium hydroxide, by connecting the conductivity cell to the bridge, the zero conductance value is noted. Now the sodium hydroxide filled in the burette is slowly allowed to react with the HCl present in the solution by adding 0.5 ml. So now we have continued the titration and the conductance is found to be increasing. Still, after getting the increase in conductance, we have to do further titration to get a clean graph. HCl, which is a strong acid, reacts with the sodium hydroxide, which is strong base, to give sodium chloride and water. We plot the conductance value by taking volume of NaOH on the x-axis, conductance on the y-axis. We are getting a graph like this. Actually, what is happening in this reaction is that during the decrease in conductance, the fast moving H plus ions are replaced by slow moving Na plus ions, so that all the H plus ions will be removed and it will be replaced by slow moving Na plus ion to give sodium chloride and water. After getting the end point, however, when we add the sodium hydroxide from the burette, the conductance value will be increasing only because the OH minus ions present in the sodium hydroxide solution shows the increase in conductance value.